Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. In the recent past, we see that there is a lot of hype about artificial intelligence. Everyone has started talking about artificial intelligence. Every country, every organization, every business, every industry claims to transform itself and wants to provide solutions based on artificial intelligence. Because of this hype, everyone wants to know what exactly is artificial intelligence. Some people are even confused with the frequent use of several jargons on various emerging technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, etc. In this video, let us try to introduce artificial intelligence and bring some clarity in a simple approach. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a field of study in the direction of creating a machine as capable as a human being. The machine must be as capable as you. I am using the word capable here. We want a machine that does everything a human being does. That is the direction in which artificial intelligence is moving. Let us look at the human history. If you look at the human civilization, right from the beginning, there is a huge difference between human beings and other living creatures. Human beings have always been trying to create some tools and leverage them to make their life better. Human beings have learned to live with the tools as their companions. If you look at the Stone Age, they used tools made up of stones to get their food. The journey of tool creation has moved up in the value chain continuously, and at one point in time, it reached electricity and a motor. They looked amazing. People who do research on mankind say that there has been a complete change in the lifestyle and behavior after man started using tools with electricity and a motor. The next major breakthrough happened in the invention of computers and the internet. Now the companion is not just an industrial machine. The companion is a laptop and a mobile phone, and we say they are smart machines, smart companions, smart tools. Artificial intelligence is the study to make these tools do whatever human beings do. It means that it should be able to see, speak, hear, run, smile, laugh, recognize, remember, and so on. Artificial intelligence technologies and applications. Let us now look at a few important artificial intelligence technologies and applications where these technologies are used. The key technologies are speech recognition, natural language processing, natural language generation, computer vision, biometrics, machine learning, deep learning, and sentiment analysis. Speech recognition is the technology of listening to the voice and convert them into text and recognize the meaning of the speech. Natural language processing, NLP, is the study of converting the script or textual content into meanings. Researchers have developed NLP platforms and APIs for various languages such as English, French, German, and other things. NLP and speech recognition work together to create virtual assistants and virtual front office assistants. Natural language generation is an interesting study. NLG, natural language generation, is for converting performance data into descriptive languages. So they generate languages from the data. They are also used for preparing reports and presentations. Computer vision. Computer vision refers to the family of technologies. It's not actually one technology. There are several technologies around it that support machines to see, recognize and recall images and videos. These technologies are applied in the areas of face recognition, handwritten character recognition, security surveillance, fraud detection, medical diagnostics, autonomous cars, traffic management using satellite images, etc. Biometrics. Biometrics is an extension of computer vision to include other biometric details such as retina, fingerprints and so on. This is used in the immigration, travel safety and personal management. Machine learning. Machine learning is the study of applying mathematical techniques to process the historical data, identify patterns and learn to recognize new objects and predict the behavior and propose a solution. Machine learning is becoming very popular and is used in almost every domain. Some of the key applications are in fraud detection, medical diagnostics, recommendation systems, machine translation, financial forecasting, customer behavior prediction, etc. Deep learning. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning where we use neural networks to process the data and extract the features in the learning process. Deep learning algorithms give better results because it has evolved from the way human brains work in processing the data. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a study of understanding the subjective sentiments of the content. By reading the content of a text using NLP and machine learning, this attempts to understand the sentiments behind it, such as anger, frustration, happiness, etc. This is used to automatically scan the social media content in understanding the sensitivity. In short, artificial intelligence refers to technologies which help us to build a machine as capable as a human being in terms of see, hear, feel, speak, recognize, work and even think. As the speed with which the machines do the above activities are much higher than humans, people believe that humans will have a better life with artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for your time. Let us move in the world of artificial intelligence. Bye.